All right, folks, here we go. Monday morning. Hope you enjoyed the weekend. We're ready to roll. Let's get things started. It's a new week. Markets are in the red. Stocks trading lower. Still got inflation fears out there. We saw that last week. Markets got beat around a little bit. Midweek, we were down as much as 4%. In the S&P, rallied back, finished about 1.5% lower. So seeing a continuation of some of that weakness this morning. Dollar pretty quiet. Now this week we have the Federal Reserve minutes from their last meeting coming out on Wednesday. So that's the big, let's call it, if you will, catalyst event perhaps for the week. Outside of that, not much shaking. We are going to be wrapping up earnings this week, so we're seeing that trickle down to the last few companies. So not a whole lot on the earnings front. I've had about, I think I saw 86% of the companies in the S&P that have reported thus far have reported positive EPS. That's the best percentage we've seen since 2008. So some good news on that front, but as we saw last week with these inflation fears, market's a little top heavy right now. It's looking for a reason to trade lower. VIX around 18. We've come off some of the highs that we saw last week, so it's going to be an interesting week. I know there's not a lot on the news front. Again, Wednesday, Fed minutes, but just like we've seen over the past 18 months, you never know what can get these markets moving, so you got to be ready. So let's get in there. Let's make sure we're ready. Let's have a good week, a strong week. Let's trade some price action. Let's get after it. I'll see you folks again tomorrow. All right, bye-bye.